Oh, right, welcome back, you crazy lot. If you're new here, I go by the name of Ginger Dust, and this channel is all about glamorising bricklaying and making it look like the easiest job in the world. All you got to do is not take yourself too seriously and just have to wing it sometimes. Which takes you to my job right now. Here is the job. So we need to make a doorway from here into this place, to go from this place to that place and that place to this place. What I'm doing is marking one line down here, one line down there, and using this bad boy to give it a bit of a cut. This is all I had. All they had. Loud. Right, so the bad thing about this cutter is it literally only goes in 3 inches. So the brick is 4 inches. So you imagine that the back of the brick I'm going to have to snap off. Died. Wavy because I can't see what I'm doing with this thing. It's really hard to literally judge. Let's see if I can straighten that cut. With the equipment, but it's doing something anyway. It gets stuck. Can't go any lower. So turn it upside down. And there's your cuts. Now all I've got to do is take that brickwork out. Driver again. This one's a bit more detailed. Oh, obviously. Ah. He loves this stuff. To get this top lot off, these should come out pretty easy. obviously the best discar in the world. It doesn't quite go through the whole brick, so you get these on the back, these little lips. So I have to literally knock these out carefully and then fill that up with muck just to make it better. So I've got all that ready this time. Until all of the windows and doors are in here, I won't be knocking through. Well, there we have it. World's greatest discar. Please leave a message in the comments below on any tools that you have that you can just laugh at. Okay, so all of the fellow gingers out there, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not ginger, please subscribe too. Don't forget to like and press that bell. I'll see you in the next one.